The Worldox Productivity Suite comes with 6 essential tools necessary for the efficiency of your business organization. Let's take a look at the Workflow module and how it can have an immediate impact on the efficiency of your document production. Workflows are managed in the familiar Worldox environment. Once the Productivity Suite is installed, you'll notice a menu bar item for Workflows. This is where you go to create the workflow. The form will appear. You'll give the workflow a subject line just like an email, then give the message for the workflow recipient, and then in the middle section you will define the actions for this workflow. Should the receiver review and comment on it, approve it, reject it, or rate it from 1 to 5. The next section you define what will make this workflow a success. You then set a due date for the workflow, a specific day and time. And then finally, choose the recipients for the workflow. Then start the workflow by clicking on the Begin button, and it will be sent to the recipients. The receiver of the workflow acts on the workflow by first opening up a received email message. Within that message are details about the workflow. You'll see the subject line and due date information, as well as an attachment. It's when double-clicking on the attachment that Worldox will open, and the receiver can open the document that needs to be reviewed. The recipient can make changes to the document and then returns back to the workflow email message where they can then reply and appropriately acknowledge the changes that have been made during the workflow and add any comments. They will then complete this portion of the workflow by clicking on the OK button. Throughout the duration of the workflow, the originator of that workflow can monitor its progress through the My Workflows console. Task Reminder. With Task Reminder, you can set document-based reminders right within the Worldox interface. Just create the reminder, type a subject line, assign the due date and reminder date and time. Click on OK. Save and close. And the reminder has been created. Switching to Outlook now, you'll see the reminder over in the right To Do bar pane, as well as through accessing the task list within the Outlook folder tree. Event Notifier. The Event Notifier provides email notification of activity which you would like to monitor within the Worldox system. Managed within the Worldox interface, notifications can easily be set by creating simple rules to monitor specific activities within the Worldox system. Once the rule has been created, the Worldox indexer monitors activity within the Worldox system and will send out pulled notification messages based on the criteria you set in the rule. Chat. Chat will be available for internal communication between all Worldox users. PDF creation. For organizations of 25 or fewer users, PDF Doc's Productivity Suite version fully integrates into Worldox and Microsoft Office. Convenient ways to create, combine, secure, and save PDF documents. You can later upgrade to PDF Docs Professional for full OCR capability, editing, and form filling. Also for organizations of 25 or fewer users, Compare Doc's Productivity Suite version provides the ability to compare Microsoft Word documents, and output is either a red line or track changes comparison result document in Word or PDF. Upgrade to Compare Doc's Professional version to enable comparing PDFs and scanned documents. You've just been introduced to Workflow, Task Reminder, Event Notifier, Chat, PDF Creation, and Compare Docs Document Comparison, the 6 components that make up the Worldox Productivity Suite. Please remember that the PDF creation and document comparison tools are only available for firms with 25 or fewer users, and it is not necessary to activate each component that makes up the Worldox Productivity Suite. For further information about the Productivity Suite, please contact us at 800-962-6360 or by email at sales@worldox.com.